Alright folks, welcome back to part 3 of this vATIS tutorial series. Today we're going to be looking at voice recorded ATISs. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening up our ATIS profile. We're going to go to, so once we're on this screen here, we're going to open up the manage profile again, and to voice record, we're going to just set this to voice recorded ATIS. It's the only difference here. The rest, it doesn't really matter quite as much because, again, you're going to be manually doing this, so not a big deal. But anyway, so hit OK once you have that, and then we will just add in our airport conditions here. This is the reason that we add this in is just for the text data, so any pilots who are getting the text data can very quickly at a glance just check which runways are active or whatever. Or if they're text only, again, they can pull up the text data and have it correctly show up, even though it's voice recorded. So it's not pronouncing anything that you type in here, but again, this is just for the courtesy of text pilots. Runway 34 in use today. And I will save that. Alright, so now that's saved, we will go ahead and connect. And now you see a new button that has showed up, Record ATIS. We're going to click Record ATIS, and this pops up a new configuration here. And it, let's see, so starts with the microphone, select the correct microphone. I'm going to just grab the one off my headset here. Listen device, we're going to have it come back through my headphones so that I can listen to my ATIS when I'm done. And it gives you a script here. So that is really helpful. We'll get rid of one of those. Actually, so you can't actually change the script is the other thing to note. So I'm just going to hit cancel for a sec and check our profile, presets. We're going to get rid of this decimal after airport conditions, just because that was bugging me. Okay, record ATIS. That's only get rid of it. Okay, anyway, regardless, this just gives you a script to go off of. You don't have to follow it exactly, but this just helps you out when you're recording it. So we'll go ahead and start our recording here. NIMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 020 at 5. Actually, I should check. Let me just check if this has been set up correctly. Forgot to save my magnetic variation. I knew that was off. So 20 degrees, and then that should populate that correctly with the script. Okay, record ATIS. Start recording. Okay, Nanaimo ATIS information alpha, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 020 at 5, visibility 30 miles, few clouds 2000. Oh, there we go. See, so if you make a mistake, just hit stop recording, and we'll hit start recording again. Again, I don't know why it's not actually subtracting the 20. So just keep in mind the magnetic variation might not show up here. Actually, I'm going to just try disconnecting, and yes, just discard it, disconnect, and reconnect. And see if this fills out. Yeah, there you go. So now the magnetic variation is showing up correctly. So we'll start recording. The NIMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 020 at 5, visibility 30 miles, few clouds at 25,000 feet, temperature 18, dew point 08, altimeter 3028, runway 34 in use, advise ATC on initial contact, you have information alpha. Okay, nice, short, and sweet. So we will listen to this. The NIMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 020 at 5, visibility 30 miles, few clouds at 25,000 feet, temperature 18, dew point 08, altimeter 3028, runway 34 in use, advise ATC on initial contact, you have information alpha. Okay, that I'm happy with. I said advise, set up inform, but not a big deal. We'll hit save. And now this is the ATIS. You see it turns green. And that's ATIS that's now actually playing over at Nanaimo. So if we wanted to listen in, pop open our audio for VATSIM here, and we will find CYCD underscore ATIS, and voila. NIMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 020 at 5, visibility 30 miles, few clouds at 25,000 feet, temperature 18, dew point 08, altimeter 3028. Runway 34 in use, inform ATC, you have information alpha. So while we're here just waiting for the update to come through, which should be coming through just about any second now. You know what, actually it has come through in Euroscope, just waiting for it to update here in vATIS. But anyway, while we're waiting for that, oh, there we go. Okay, so never mind, I spoke too soon. Let's talk about re-recording in ATIS. So now we've got information Bravo, and if we listen in, it's actually obviously not going to change anything because it's been manually recorded.
Alpha weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 0205.
Tell it's out of date there already. So we're gonna just click on that. So when it's flashing, left clicking on this will stop it from flashing. So we click record ATIS again, and now what we'll do is let's just check. So 20 Zulu, which is great. And why is it not showing Bravo? Okay, I don't know why the ATIS script didn't update to Bravo. That might be a bug. But basically what we're going to do is we're just going to record. Keep in mind that we're going to change it to Bravo. NYMO, start that again. The NYMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 200 Zulu, wind 330 at 7, variable between 320 and 030, visibility 30 miles, few clouds at 25,000, temperature 19, dew point 09, altimeter 3027, runway 34 in use, inform ATC you have information alpha. And that's good. One thing to note is just leave a short pause at the end of your recording, just so that it has time to loop and it's not just, it just makes more sense because it'll start the loop right away, so it's not inform ATC of information alpha and NYMO information alpha. Like it doesn't just run into the next script or run to restart the script. There's a little bit of a pause before it restarts that way. So anyway, we'll listen in. The NYMO ATIS information alpha, weather at 200 Zulu, wind 330 at 7, variable between 320 and 030, visibility 30 miles, few clouds at 25,000, temperature 19, dew point 09, altimeter 3027, runway 34 in use, inform ATC you have information alpha. So that's good. I'll save it. And now we've got information Bravo if we listen in.
We're at 200 Zulu, wind 330 at 7, variable between 320 and 0.
Perfect. Great. So that is ATIS is there for you, or vATIS there for you in a nutshell. Obviously, there is a lot that you can do with this when it comes to all your presets, and configuration, and contractions, and all that. So go wild. Keep in mind it's still limited to 4 ATISes, so that includes if you have a departure ATIS for an airport and an arrival ATIS for an airport. It will still be the same. And before I forget, of course, as I was going to mention, that the airport needs a METAR code to function even for a voice recorded ATIS. So if I were to create one for Langley, for example, it won't let me voice record because Langley does not have a METAR functioning. So NYMO does because there is a METAR that it can populate. But at the moment, if I try and create ATIS for an airport that does not have a METAR, it will not work. I've been trying to find some ways around it. So far, I've been unsuccessful. So check the comments or whatever. If I do find a way, I will update that in there. And of course, if the ATIS gets an update, I think it's in the request list and plan to come out in one of the upcoming releases at some point. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. It may change in the future, but as of right now, with this current version, beta 3, it does not work to create an ATIS without a METAR present at that airport. That basically covers everything there is to know about vATIS. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.